Lots of guys make terrible mistakes that push women away. But if you master these alpha traits I'm about to tell you, you will be able to attract the women you truly desire. Do not take them for granted. If you take them seriously and add them to your life, it will make a significant change in your dating game. Let's go into it. 1. Emotional stability. Emotional stability is a must for any man who wants to attract women. Beta males tend to be overly emotional, needy, or easily upset, which makes them seem immature and unreliable. Women are naturally drawn to men who can remain calm and composed, especially in stressful situations. Alpha males handle their emotions with control and don't let small things rattle them. They don't rely on women to make them feel better. Emotional stability shows strength, maturity, and the ability to handle life's challenges with ease. Women want a man who can keep it together no matter what. 2. Be very confident. Confidence is key to attracting women. Beta males often show insecurity and constantly seek validation, which makes them less attractive. Women don't want to feel like they have to reassure you. On the other hand, alpha males exude confidence without trying. They walk tall, speak clearly, and project a sense of self-assurance that is hard to ignore. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It is about knowing your worth and standing by it. When you believe in yourself, others, including women, will believe in you too. Confidence is a magnetic trait that will set you apart from the rest. 3. Have leadership qualities. Leadership is a trait that women find incredibly attractive. Beta males often wait for others to make decisions. Beta males avoid taking charge. This passive behavior comes off as weak and indecisive, which turns women off. Alpha males, however, know how to take control of situations, make decisions, and lead with confidence. Whether it's planning a date or handling a tough conversation, being decisive shows that you are a man of action. Women respect and admire men who take charge and not afraid to lead. Leadership is all about knowing what you want and going after it boldly. 4. Be purpose-driven. Being purpose-driven is essential for attracting women. Beta males often lack direction and make chasing women their main goal. Alpha males, on the other hand, have clear ambitions and focus on achieving them, whether it's a career, personal development, or building a business. Having a purpose makes you more attractive because it shows that you have something going on in your life beyond chasing girls. Women are naturally drawn to men who have drive and ambition. When you're focused on your goals, women will be more interested in you because they respect your dedication and determination. 5. Have unapologetic masculinity. Alpha males are unapologetic about who they are. Beta males often hide or tone down their masculinity because they are afraid of being judged or offending someone. This timid behavior is unattractive to women. Alpha males, on the other hand, embrace their masculine traits fully and don't apologize for them. They are direct, assertive, and stand firm in their beliefs without trying to please everyone. This confidence in their masculinity makes them incredibly attractive to women. Be bold, embrace your masculinity, and stop holding back. You don't need anyone's approval to be who you are. In conclusion, women are naturally drawn to men who display confidence, know how to lead, stay emotionally grounded, have a clear purpose, and embrace their masculinity without hesitation. If you want to elevate your dating game, these are the traits you need to work on right now. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.